Listen, speak, read, write.
Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support. Subscribe now, like, and comment. Lesson 9, Prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between the noun or pronoun it precedes and another word in the sentence, indicating direction, location, or time. Prepositions, direction. Direction is the orientation or path that someone or something follows, faces, or points. It is also the positioning of objects or locations relative to each other. Examples: across, her best friend lives across the street. Along, she walked along the road. Around, she ran around the reservoir. Below, the photo is on the shelf below the books. Beneath, she hid the key beneath the doormat. Beside, she sat beside her child. Between, the meat is between the bread. Beyond, the river is beyond the trees. Down, the little child fell down on the playground. Prepositions, location. Location refers to a specific point or position where someone or something is situated or can be found relative to a point of reference. Examples: in, put the milk in the refrigerator. On, place the food on the table. At, we are at the park. By, meet me by the river. Near, she stood near the building. Behind, the juice is behind the milk. Above, she held the umbrella above her head. Under, they walked under the bridge. Prepositions, time. Time in terms of preposition refers to points in time and temporal relations. Examples: before, she ate before she went to school. After, she went home after school. During, she was talking during class. Since, it has been 3 years since she graduated. Until, wait until your father comes home. From, we will be here from morning to afternoon. To, she worked from 9 a.m. to noon. Around, they will call you around noon. About, she will see you about 5 p.m. At, she eats lunch at 1 p.m. Reminder: a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between the noun or pronoun it precedes and another word in the sentence, indicating direction, location, or time. That's the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and a comment would be wonderful.